Welcome back. This is Hire It Done. My name's Adam Helfman. Getting ready for the barbecue coming up for your 4th of July. I mean, it's a tradition. At least invite yourself to a barbecue, right? Well, you know how that goes. Well, there's proper techniques for grilling. There's proper techniques for a lot of that. But where do you go to get a grill? I mean, are you going to go to a hardware store or a big box store? A grill is an appliance. So why not go to an appliance store? Makes sense to me. And I like the personal service, and I like local because I'm not that guy. I like to shop local. I like to support local. Not against the other guys, but that's my preference. Like it, love it, I don't care. Anyways, joining me on the Home Improvement Radio Show, that's number one, is Joe Legato, Bill and Rod's Home Appliances. Welcome, Joe.
Hey, Adam. How are you?
Super fantastic, my friend. How are you?
Doing great.
Of course. So give everyone in the Hire It Done audience just a little brief history of Bill and Rod's.
Sure. My grandfather started the business in 1963. My parents took over in the mid-'70s, and I joined in 2008. And together what we've done is we've built a large service network. We sell new and used appliances, provide parts and service. And then in the recent years, we've added new categories like grills and mattresses as well.
Sweet. So you guys actually service appliances as well.
We do. We have an awesome service team that's always training, always trying to make sure that they're the best. And the better part is we're always there on the other end of the line. So if you have a question or you need clarification, you can always reach out, and we're always going to answer that phone.
You know, it sounds pretty like so what? But it's not. Try and call anywhere today. Call a big box store and try to get someone on the phone for appliances.
Yeah.
Right? And say, oh, do you sell this? Good luck. Call Bill and Rod's, and there's always someone answering the phone.
That's right.
And, of course, billandrodsappliance.com is the website. Or the number if they need to call, 734-425-5040. billandrodsappliance.com. So let's go over quickly a little bit of what you do. So you said appliance repair. Refrigerator goes out, the ice maker stops, the electric starter on the generic cooktop, click, 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 starts.
Sure.
Yeah, it's not turning the gas on.
Yeah.
You go buy one of those little handheld lighters, and right? Those are things that you guys come out and fix.
That's right. And what we do is we'll come out, we'll diagnose the problem, then we'll give you a quote for your total cost of repair. And sometimes that gets confused where it's like, oh my goodness, so the parts are going to be so much. No, that's for your total cost of repair, and then we'll get you taken care of. If you say go ahead and do it, we'll get you done.
Yeah, and that's the better way to do it, I agree. But let me ask you a question. Today, you could get appliances, and they're like designed really cool, but you go to these big box stores and you see these appliances that have lights on them and all this, but they don't last like the old style ones.
Yeah, the average life of appliances is somewhere between 6 and 8 for across all spectrums. There are brands that last longer, and then there's brands that last a lot shorter.
I have a Sub-Zero refrigerator that, I got to be honest with you, it's like a tank, and I repair it. It's like from the 90s, like it's that old. But I got to be honest with you, I love it. It's great, and the cost of repair is not cheap, but I don't want to get rid of it because I'm afraid to put something else in there.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
Yeah, no, that year, I mean, that area, I mean,
right, those were built they were built like tanks. So like today, what's a good appliance that people can put in their home?
Sure. We like to look at, primarily like the Whirlpool and GE brands. You'll tend to get a little bit extra life out of them.
Whirlpool's great. GE's great too.
That's right. They engineer them very well, and the lines of communication, especially with our partners at GE, we see a lot of innovation and a lot of quality coming out of there.
Interesting to see innovation. Real quick, side note. On the other segment earlier I did is what does that really cost? I was talking about appliances and kitchens.
Sure.
And I said not everyone likes to put all the same brand, refrigerator, cooktop, oven, microwave, but there's an argument to say you should put the same brand.
Sure.
You agree?
In my personal opinion, I love it when my handles match. I like it when the design concept goes all the way through the entire kitchen. So when you're looking at the appliances, they go together.
Matching handles. There you go. So the little red dot on the side of those. What brand is it? Jenner, Kenmore?
KitchenAid has the red dot on the side. Wolf has the red knobs.
Okay, so you got to have that it ties everything together.
That's right.
Okay, so there's a great valid point for that. Now, when you say innovation, how about the Internet of Things? Has that impacted appliances yet?
Oh yeah, you can see Wi-Fi being put into just about everything, but and everyone asks, why would I even want that? The real answer is it makes your life a little bit easier because you know, one, where everything's at in the cycle. You're on vacation maybe, and now your refrigerator stopped working. You're getting an alert. Now you can activate a service call straight from there.
That's kind of cool. What about the one? I always thought like the Internet of Things were like when you open your refrigerator, you pull the milk out. There was like the scanner from the grocery store coming across the door to the thing.
We're getting there.
And then it reads it, and then when it knows it's like low, it says, "Oops, you're low. Let's go click ship or whatever, and let's figure out and get new milk delivered."
Yeah, no, we are getting there, and actually, there's some artificial intelligence and deep think technology that's going into refrigerators that it'll just add it to your list, and then you can look at your phone and
come home and milk is full.
There it is.
Wow, that's cool. And I always wondered about that. So that was the key. So appliances are good. Can you get a deal if you package it together?
Yeah, it's always best when you're buying your appliances. You know, you could probably piecemeal it together over time and get a pretty solid deal. But if you're redoing your kitchen, let's get all appliances in there new from the start, because sometimes there's just small variations. And you were talking about granite earlier.
Yeah.
We run into a lot of problems where people say, I'll replace this cooktop later. And we go to put it into that granite countertop, and it's not going to fit. Now we got to get a granite company out there to cut it.
Oh, that's an issue.
That is.
Okay, so if someone wants to replace a cooktop and they have granite, they should double check the measurements.
You betcha.
Okay, that's a good point. I appreciate that. All right, let's move on to grills.
Sure.
It's barbecue season. You've got a huge selection of grills. Where are you located, by the way?
Yeah, so we're at 15870 Middle Belt Road in Livonia, between 5 and 6 Mile on the east side of Middle Belt.
So Livonia, Michigan.
Livonia, Michigan. Huge showroom.
Bill and Rod's Appliance, are you open today?
We are open today.
All right, cool. So you're open till what time?
Till 5 p.m. They're actually open now.
Oh, even better.
Yeah.
So let's talk barbecues. What do you got?
So we carry a wide range of grills. We've got Broil King, Napoleon, Traeger, Primo Ceramic, DCS Outdoor, and even Wolf grills.
You do have the Wolf.
We do.
Okay, good. I'm gonna come see you. I think I got to go that route. Can you finance?
we sure do have financing. Actually, we were even told that we have up to 24-month financing on certain products.
How much is a Wolf grill today?
It depends on what you want to do with it. You could be somewhere around $10,000 when it's all said and done.
Right, that's what I figured.
Yeah.
The worst thing I ever did was get rid of my Wolf grill. But I learned my lesson. So what's popular in grilling?
Right now, what's really popular is these wood pellet grills. Traeger is just killing it. They've got awesome marketing, but I will tell you the performance from Traeger is pretty great.
So Traeger makes grills, and they have the wood pellet ones. Now, when you wood pellet, they burn the wood pellets.
That's right.
And that gives you the heat, but it also gives, is it for smoke too? Or
you can do smoking on there, you can do baking, you can do roasting, you can do searing, and just regular grilling.
Okay, so Traeger, is it the big, is it round? Is that
yeah, so they kind of look like a barrel with a
Okay.
little box on the side, and that's where all your pellets sit, and it feeds it through.
And you guys sell the pellets too.
We do. We sell all the pellets. We sell the accessories. If you need sauces and rubs from Traeger, we have those as well.
Okay, so you got a whole cool thing. Now, is a Traeger grill expensive?
Right now on special, we've got them starting at $349. You can go all the way up to a couple grand if you wanted to with their ironwood and timberline lines.
They're heavy though.
They are heavy.
So you don't have hook up a gas or a propane line. This is only wood fired.
That's right. You do have to plug it into an electrical connection, but you
Is that to light it?
That's right. That's just to make sure that the hopper is delivering pellets into the fire pot, and you're going to be able to get that smoke or
Now,
or
what
heat.
about cleaning grills? You know, I read a story where a little bit of metal got caught, and you got to be careful. You guys sell grill scrapers and cleaners and all the accessories?
Oh, yeah. So, brushes are kind of on their way out.
Right.
What we've been selling is these, they're actually cedar planks that look like small paddles for a canoe for cleaning off your grill. Super
Really?
effective.
What about like steam?
Yeah.
Steam
Steam is an awesome way to do it. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll heat my grill up a whole, real high,
Yeah.
and I'll take a handful of ice, throw it on the inside, let it steam up,
Oh, smart.
and then scrape it down.
BillandRodsAppliance.com. Thanks for coming. You're open today.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it. All right, we're going to take a break, folks. I'm Adam Helfman, and you're listening to the Hired Done Radio Network.